In our previous tutorial, we did a detailed review of the GeoRank Report tab. In this tutorial, we'll do a detailed review of the ASIN GeoRank Trend Report tab. In the previous tutorial, we talked about how you get a more granular view of your GeoRank information. In this tutorial, we'll talk about a more summarized view of all keywords on which this ASIN can be found that was uploaded to the database. It's important to keep in mind, though we're doing searches on our favorite ASINs, all ASINs that were found on the all department search results for the first 7 pages will be present in your database. That means you can do competitive analysis on your competitors, not just on your favorite ASINs. So keep that in mind. Even though we speak about favorite ASINs, you're not limited in analysis to those. To run a trend report, simply select your favorite ASIN, or we'll once again go with clean and clear and select the marketplace and generate report. The report now is being generated, and once it's finished, you'll get a download of all, and there we go. So now we have 21 different keywords as you can see here, and we go right, and we're using this ASIN not because it belongs to us. None of these ASINs belongs to us. They're all for demonstration purposes only, but this ASIN we wrote an article on, and it's very important to understand that GeoRank does not normalize over time without active participation in marketing by the owners. This particular ASIN has over 7,000 buyers each month according to Amazon. It's been on Amazon going on 12 years. So as you can see, there's no normalization in the ranking, and just to explain what we're looking at here. First, we're looking at a range. So we're looking at a range for the top 100 zip codes. Okay, and we're seeing on September, for example, September 2nd, for the top 100 zip codes, we have a rank ranging from organic 7 to organic 10, and as you can see the pop-up, it shows how many locations were found and how many locations were searched. So this is what this is showing. It's showing a range for the top 100 zip codes, and as you can see from here, this ASIN has a lot of greens, and this text explains what the colors mean, and it's very important to understand the color schema. Now, as I mentioned, this is a very important ASIN. And what we wanted to demonstrate is that there is A, no normalization with regards to rank. And B, with good information, you can expand even those ASINs that you think you're at the limit of expansion. This ASIN sells about $1 million per year approximately. Right, so we're looking at this and we're seeing opportunities because we're seeing where in the top 100 locations. There are keywords in which it's not in greens. Because green means it's top 10 organic, right, and we're seeing that there's a lot of opportunities in which it's yellow. As of September 2nd, we have yellows. Now what you don't realize though is we're only looking at 100 zip codes here. What we need to do, and as you can see here, we're talking about over 500 locations. So why don't we look at the full view of all locations, and by pressing this check in this box here and running a research. Now we'll see a full view of what's going on. And as you can see from that view, it looks a whole lot different. What this is telling us is that there's a whole lot of opportunities for this particular ASIN to double, triple, or even quadruple sales by focusing on keywords in areas or locations in which it's not top 10. And this is what the summary view does. It gives you targeted targets of opportunity with regards to keywords. Once again, if we go back and just look at the top 100 locations, we see here that it looks pretty good, and there's just a few opportunities that we can pursue. But if we looked at the full view, things are not as pretty sunshine and rainbows as we thought. In fact, we have tons of opportunities to expand sales for this particular reason. This is the benefit of having a detailed GeoRank analysis tool like Rank Diagnostic. It allows you to penetrate a market much deeper than you would if you only looked at a single location. As we showed, and that takes care of our review of the ASIN GeoRank Trend Report. Next, we will look at the ASIN sales and GeoRank summary in the next tutorial. See you then.